Today, we will be unboxing the TCx M11. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Along with the device, you have the charging cable, charging block with USB-C, and a push pin for SD card inserts. Let's take a closer look at the device. This is the front of the device. The TCx M11 features a bright 10.95-inch Full HD touchscreen, crisp and clear even outdoors. The first thing you'll notice, it's incredibly lightweight, just over 1 pound. That means associates can carry it comfortably all day, whether they're on the sales floor, curbside, or in the stockroom. On the side of the device, you have the volume buttons, a charging port, SD slot, microphone, and power button. On the bottom of the device, you have the speakers. Back on the front, you have your front camera and rear camera. The device also comes with pogo connector pins with a magnetic connection. These allow for secure, toolless docking and fast peripheral connections. So switching between mobile and fixed setups is effortless. Just snap it into the dock and you're ready to go. Built right into the M11 is an NFC chip, which opens up a lot of possibilities beyond just connections. You can use it for quick device pairing, associating customers with loyalty programs, enabling badge or associate authentication, and even supporting certain inventory or asset tracking workflows. It's a simple tap that can unlock a lot of everyday retail interactions. The push pin here allows you to open the SD card slot where an SD card can be added for extra storage. Simply just take the pin and insert it into the SD card hole. Push the pin in slightly and the slot should pop open. Carefully remove the tray and insert your card. Push it back in and you're good to go. The M11 comes with Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, and GPS connectivity. You're ready for scanning, video calls, and documentation. Let's power on the device. The TCx M11 is powered by Android 13 out of the box, upgradable to Android 17, and it is GMS certified. You can pick a language and configure your accessibility and vision options here. After setting up the device, you'll land on the home screen. The M11 comes with Google Play Store for all your app needs. The M11 can also be managed with your preferred MDM. And when it comes to taking payments, the TCx M11 is built to adapt with you. On its own, it's not a payment device, but when you pair it with the right payment case and peripherals, it can become a fully capable mobile point of sale. So whether you're checking out customers on the floor or reducing lines at the counter, it gives you a lot of flexibility in how and where you sell. And that wraps up this video. Whether it's mobile checkout in grocery, tableside service in restaurants, inventory scanning in specialty retail, or ticketing in entertainment, the TCx M11 adapts to your environment. For more information and details about the M11 and our other products, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.